In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic check-ins on your project management tool. This is a fantastic way to streamline communication and keep your team engaged and accountable with very little ongoing effort. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're set up for success. First things first, head over to the project where you want these check-ins to take place. It's essential to start from the right project space because that's where all your updates will be concentrated. Before diving in, you need to confirm that you have the automatic check-ins tool enabled. If by chance this feature isn't yet active, you'll need to add it. You can do this easily by navigating to the project menu, selecting Change Tools, and then enabling the option for automatic check-ins. This step is crucial because without it, we can't proceed with setting up our automated questions. Once you've got that sorted, go ahead and open the automatic check-ins tool. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to create a new question with a simple click on plus New Question. This is your opportunity to craft the inquiry that will guide your team's daily reflections, so take a moment to think about what insights are most valuable. A common and effective example might be, "What did you work on today?" But feel free to tailor it to your team's specific needs. Now that your question is ready, it's time to specify who should be answering it. You have the flexibility to invite everyone involved in the project, or, if it makes more sense, only select individuals. This ensures that the right voices are contributing to the conversation without overwhelming your entire team with unnecessary notifications. Next, you'll want to determine the check-in frequency. For our purposes, we'll set it to daily, which is a great rhythm for keeping things consistent and top of mind. You'll also need to decide what time of day you want your question to be sent out. Think about your team's schedule and choose a time when they're likely to be able to engage without distractions. Once you've got these settings dialed in, don't forget to save your question. This action will ensure that every day, at the time you chose, the question will appear to the selected people. Their responses will be neatly gathered in a thread, giving you a centralized location to review their updates. Finally, should the situation change and you find the need to pause or stop these check-ins at any point, it's straightforward to do. Simply click on the options next to your question and select Stop asking this question. This gives you the flexibility to adjust as your team's priorities shift. There you have it. You've now successfully set up an efficient system for keeping your team aligned on a daily basis.